Ah!
Ah! So this is Dana.
So,
So it's the last week of her program. So how do you feel? Come on, Dana! Go! 46, 47. Go! So what's up guys? This is me over 27 Club, or you can just call me Hussein. So I'm editing this video here November, and these clips were recorded at June to September of this year. So ayun, hindi ko siya hinarap kasi one, procrastination, and two, embarrassment. So this is embarrassing for me, bro. So ayun, I'm uploading any fitness or personal improvement contents or documentaries. So kung interested ka sa mga ganun, why not mag-subscribe ka na, diba? And at the same time, I'm streaming almost every day. So kung gusto mo, tambay ka sa stream. So para sabay tayo gumawa ng mga productive stuff. And para if you have any fitness related questions, maybe I can answer them while on break. And ayun, we can continue to the video.
4, 3, 2, 1!
Nagsisimula ang video na to nung JCI Baguio Color Run. Sumali ang pinsan ko sa 5K at nag-oras siya ng, which is not bad para sa kanya na first time sumali ng fun run. Nag-enjoy siya at dahil dyan sinabihan niya ako na balak niya mag-all in sa isang running era for 2 months dahil bakasyon niya sa trabaho, at doon na ako gumawa ng kanyang mga parusa. So tinuruan ko siya ng iba't ibang routine sa pagtakbo. Nagsimula kami sa dynamic stretching at running drills, tulad ng A skips, B skips at kung ano-ano pa. Dito na ang simula ng mga araw-araw na pagdurusa. Kung gusto mo lumakas ka sa pagtakbo, syempre kailangan mo din matuto paano tumakbo ng tama. So, tinuruan ko siya ng different drills. So, halos lahat yan. So, paiba-iba. Hindi ka magkaka-longevity sa running kapag hindi ka tumatakbo ng maayos, or hindi gumagana yung katawan mo ng maayos para tulungan ka na tumakbo from point A to point B. So, kailangan yan lalo na sa first 3 months to year. So, imagine mo kahit mga pro is parati pa rin silang nagra-running drills. And at this stage, medyo tinitingnan natin kung may injure ba siya. So, this is more of a break-in period sa first month. So, kailangan nating malaman saan na ba yung point of weakness ng isang katawan. So, talaga lalabas, kung beginner ka, lalabas at lalabas talaga yung mga injuries. So, there's nothing to panic about. Kung lumabas, at least alam mo na kagad na may mali sa katawan mo, and kailangan mo na siyang improve, strengthen. So that's the point of the first phase. So 1 month lang yan. So we move on to the first workout, yung uphill sprints. Sige, runay na! Come on! Kung pipili kayo ng mga pag-uphilan nyo, is make sure na hindi siya gaano steep. Itong pinag-uphilan namin is medyo ano na yun, medyo matarik na to. So, yung masonting gradient increase is okay. The next is stairs. Hey, kumpadal! Come on! Come on! Come on! Go! So, ayun. So, basically, dito nahirapan si Dana, and we just did it once. So, para sa mga naka-experience na nitong stairs workout, For sure alam niya na yung nararamdaman dito ni Dana. Isang workout lang kami dahil nagka part-time work si Dana and di na kami maka-workout sa umaga. And ayun. So phase 2 na. So the next phase is our phase 2. So this is the month of July to August, which is medyo hectic siya because 1, ulan ng ulan, and 2, ulan ng ulan, and 3, ulan ng ulan.
Sa ilang bahagi ng Luzon, ayon sa Pag-asa, may red rainfall warning sa Metro Manila, Bataan at ilang bahagi ng Cavite. May orange rainfall warning naman sa Rizal, Zambales, Pampanga.
So ulan ng ulan those sa nung July at August. I think those 2 months. So kahit panay ulan nung July, nakakasingit pa rin naman si Dana ng mga onting road run sessions at nadadagdagan niya yung mileage sessions niya through sa paggamit ng treadmill. So ulan nga ng ulan, hindi na namin alam kung matutuloy pa ba namin yung tamang progression ng workout. Kasi ayun nga, hindi naman kami workout ng umaga kasi 1, may work siya, and 2, masyadong maaga, and 3, umuulan na lang parati except sa gabi. So ayun, medyo nakakabahala pero biglang may plot twist, bro. So may plot twist which is
simula ngayon, bubuksan ng Philippine Sports Commission sa publiko ang kanilang mga track and field oval sa Pasig, Maynila at Baguio.
This is nothing political, but ayun, nagfi-favor siya sa aming situation dahil hanggat 6 PM lang ang oval dito sa Baguio. So, wala kaming night intervals sa oval. And 2, after work, pwede na kaming makapag-train. Dati kasi, after work is closed na agad yung oval. So, talaga, nag-work talaga siya sa favor namin. We had our very first workout sa PSC track. So, map and activate every part of this. Yun, sumasabay yung shoulder ko, di ba? Hindi pa rin nawala yung pag-uulan.
Shit.
Do you have extra clothes?
Just a sweater.
Nice. Pero, at least nga, pwede kaming maulanan, pwede kaming mag-workout, then diretso uwi. Tas wala ka ng lakad, diretso ligo, iba? Kain ka na lang, then tulog. Or if you have other shit. Nagdire-diretso lang ang aming progression. So most of the time, nakakapag-workout na kami sa oval. So actually, this is our first, yung last month, which is yung August, is dyan lang talaga kami nakapag-track session. Puro road or puro uphill, puro road, puro fartleks. So the month of August is the first month na nakapag-track session kami. So, mas maganda din kasi talaga pag nasa track ka. Kasi, 1, close. 2, bakit ba ako nagbibigay ng numbers? So, yung August is yung month na talagang nakapag-track intervals kami. As you can see here, medyo nag-improve na yung ni Dana, yung mga pagdi-drills na compared to the first month. So as you can see here, medyo mas naging powerful na yung bawat increase. So mas naging, as you can see here, mas lalong naging as you can see, bitch. As you can see, ayun, medyo mas naging okay na nga yung pag-drills niya. So as you can see, umokay na nga yung drills niya. So this is the month of August. Nung August nakita na nga natin na nag-improve si Dana. So unti-unti, hindi ko na na-realize na malapit na pala siya kumarera. So yung date ng karera niya ay August 31. So ito yung mga clips nung before
41,
matapos yung program ito yung mga tapering workouts na ginagawa namin.
1, go! Sige, all out, to the line. Sub 350. Patay kung patay. Come on! Last repeat. Full program. Wow! 3, 2, 1, go! Last lap. All out. Patay kung patay. 46, 47, 48, 49. $350 again. Nice one.
Damn.
So ano bang pag-uusapan natin?
Pag top 3 dapat libre samju.
From coach.
Ay, ako?
Yeah.
Diba
Dapat i-deliver niya ako. Yeah.
Sige.
Yeah. Tajimaya joke.
Hindi yung sa tag 200.
Samji.
This is Dana on her last day sa program, and sa Sunday na yung race niya daw. So, ayan, give us your thoughts.
All I can say is this was the hardest workout training program I've ever done.
Like, itong
Yeah,
session
no,
na to?
like this entire 3 months was the hardest. I mean, before I started training again, the hardest was starting in pandemic when it was just weight training, but then it became easy.
Tapos,
But now it's like,
like,
yeah.
kasi dapat talagang workouts. So, minsan easy, minsan hard. So, it doesn't get easy. So, the only thing that gets easy is the pace. Yeah. So, like, ano ba yung mga starting pace mo yung 3 months? So, yung K niya daw is like,
38. That's when I started. What is that? There, 38.
so that was 6K.
Yeah.
Okay. So, hindi namin alam kung ano ba talaga.
But then I started running. I did my own. That was 38 minutes
So, she did another 5K, 38 minutes pa rin daw.
for fun.
So, let's see kung ilan yung oras niya sa Sunday. Top 3. Pag hindi top 3, may samji pa rin. Pero from you.
Fine.
Let's go!
Dating 200 lang.
Yeah. All good.
And for first place runner, 5006. Yes. 5032 and 5006.
So, doon na nagtatapos ang ating program. Joke lang. Nag-podium na naman siya kinabukasan sa 3K. So kung nakaabot ka sa end ng video na to, I'm giving out free 3-month online running program to the first subscriber who reaches out to me. And I'm also accepting online and in-person coaching services to anyone who is interested. Please reach out to me through my email. Thank you and please like and subscribe.